And he wrote, apparently anything a criminal claims is accepted as truth by the mainstream media and the crumbling Western judiciary. The man wasn't tortured, nor did he lose weight. In fact, photos show he gained weight while in detention. He even released a surveillance video showing Abrego Garcia engaging in activities like fishing, gardening, playing chess, and being medically evaluated, portrayals that directly contested allegations of severe mistreatment. And the Trump administration still maintains he's not the Maryland father portrayed by the media, and is an MS-13 gang member. The evidence they cite is based on a 2019 police gang field interview sheet from Prince George's County, Maryland, which labeled him as, quote, an active member of MS-13's Western clique. These claims were based on informant and tattoos and clothes closely associated with the gang. They also point to a 2021 protective order filed by his wife, raising concerns about domestic violence. In the document, she alleged he had punched, scratched, and grabbed her, with some of the alleged abuse so severe she was left with bruises and bleeding. His wife was later on fighting for his deportation release and started a GoFundMe that's raised over $200,000. Originally, judges accepted the proof of his membership in MS-13, but later, judges then called the evidence thin, to say the least. So after previous legal battles, the U.S. found it difficult to deport him directly back to El Salvador due to the court orders and claims of credible fear of violence there. As for the choice of Uganda, Abrego Garcia declined an offer to be removed to Costa Rica in exchange for pleading guilty to the smuggling charges. And the country would have welcomed him as a legal immigrant, and he wouldn't have faced detention. The U.S. will sometimes use so-called third country deportation agreements with nations willing to accept deportees who don't have a clear return path to their home country. And Uganda reportedly agreed to take him. Abrego Garcia's legal team is actively working to challenge the detention and prevent his deportation. They argue that deportation to Uganda would expose him to potential persecution and torture, citing a U.S. State Department report that warns of arbitrary killings, forced disappearances, and ill treatment in Uganda detention facilities.